Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at your disposal: a heat gun, a suction cup, plastic prying tools, a T5 Torx screwdriver, and a spudger. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 4 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, use the heat gun to warm the edges of the screen. This softens the adhesive holding the screen in place. Once heated, attach the suction cup to the corner of the screen. Carefully pull while using a plastic prying tool to gently separate the screen from the device. If you encounter resistance, warm the area again to loosen the adhesive. After successfully removing the screen, set it aside and locate the screws securing the motherboard. Using the T5 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws and keep them in a safe place. Remember, if you don't have the tools or are unsure about the process, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, making it easier for you to understand your repair options. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard from its casing. Be cautious of any cables connected to the motherboard. Disconnect these cables carefully using a spudger. This step is crucial to avoid damaging any components during the removal process. With the motherboard free, check for any signs of damage or corrosion. If you find any issues, you might consider a replacement. If you feel uncomfortable or lack the necessary tools, don't hesitate to reach out to us for pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel while getting your device serviced. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Use compressed air to blow away any dust or debris. This step helps maintain optimal performance for your Surface Pro 4. After cleaning, inspect the connectors on the motherboard for any dirt or residue, as this can cause connectivity issues. Next, if you're replacing the screen, take your new screen and align it with the motherboard. Press down gently to ensure it adheres properly. Before sealing everything back up, reattach the cables you previously disconnected. Make sure they are snug and secure to avoid any future issues. Once everything is in place, replace the screws using your T5 Torx screwdriver to secure the motherboard back in its original position. Finally, reattach the screen by pressing down firmly around the edges. Ensure that the adhesive is holding well. You might want to apply some pressure for a few minutes. If you prefer to receive a quote before repair, our service includes this option to help you make an informed decision. Now, power on your Surface Pro 4 and check for functionality. If you notice any issues, remember that professional help is just a call away. Our team is here to ensure your device is in top shape, offering seamless service without the need for travel. In summary, repairing your Surface Pro 4 screen and motherboard requires patience and precision. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully complete the repair. However, always feel free to leverage our professional services for a hassle-free experience. We're here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.